Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys have a good lovely day and positive day. Alright, so on today's video we got a very exciting video for today. So I'm just gonna do unboxing about my update vlogging setup. So everything that you're going to see on today's video, and it's all about my vlogging setup. So all these items that I bought is actually online, so they have a very good price. I know you guys saw on my IG story a sneak peek about the item that I bought, and the boxes and everything is huge. And there's a couple of things that I want to show to you guys what I bought, and then what is my vlogging setup, so you guys can get like a bit of idea how I set up my vlogging cameras and everything. But on today's video we're just going to do unboxing. I'm going to show to you guys what did I actually bought it online, and then if you guys want more video about my vlogging setup and everything, I will definitely do it for you guys on the next video. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So if you guys out there, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also leave some likes and love. And if you guys get any suggestion, any ideas, please do not hesitate to put your comment down below, and I'll appreciate it. I will try to reply as soon as possible to you guys regards to any topic. So if you guys have any ideas about my next video, please do not hesitate. Just hit the comment below. The first box that I'm gonna show to you guys, this is the first one, and this is the second box, and this is the third box. Alright guys, so I know this is a lot of like shopping online, so this is kind of like a shopping online haul, but I just want to say you guys, this is a couple things that I bought in this box. It's not like one item huge thing, it's like so many things inside. And also this one is one item, and this is on one item as well. I'm gonna show you to you guys what it actually bought. We're going to do unboxing. I got a knife here, so be careful whenever you play with the knife. Sometimes it's really sharp, it can hurt you. So alright, so we're going to unboxing the first box. This is another online. If you don't know what is this, we're gonna check them out. This is from AliExpress, so they just sent it to me today actually. So I am looking forward to open it up with you guys. So alright, so the first item is, okay, oh, it's fancy. It comes with a bag. This is the new tripod. So I know I got so many tripods. I don't know why I bought so many tripods. But I think it's a long story if I want to tell you guys the full story about this tripod. But hey, I got like more than 2-3 tripods. This is the tripod that I bought from AliExpress, and it's nice because it comes with a bag, so I can take it anywhere with me. Also if I go shooting outside, so I can always take this tripod. The reason why I bought this tripod is because this tripod, it can goes like high, like 2 meters height, so I can get really nice shot. So this is not a travel friendly tripod, which is like the compact tripod, you know. This is like the full length tripod. So it's from Zomi brand, so let's check them out. So it's actually, this is the big tripod. I do have a big tripod, which is a brand from Manfrotto, brand from Italy, but the thing is I left it in Malaysia, then I have to buy another one. Alright, so the first touch, so it has a lock mechanism here. So it's not as like great tripod, you know. It's not like wow tripod. This is nice, I think, for shooting outside, or if I want to put this camera, the one that I recorded right now, and this tripod is going to be very sturdy. So it is very long tripod. It doesn't feel like wobbling, it doesn't feel like plastically. It has like the balancing things on this sides, and also yeah, it's not bad. It has like a quick release tools as well, so everything is nice. So you can shoot like vertical with this tripod as well. So I love the color. It's actually the blue color. So if you see the the mechanism is really long. It's it's really long, but it doesn't feel like wobbling like a shitty tripod. Well, this is like temporary tripod for me. So this is the first item we unboxing is the tripod. The second item, this is the small box. So this small box is from bol.com. So if you don't know, in Belgium, so if you want to do like online shopping, so you can always check bol.com because they have like a couple of stuff like gadgets and everything, but I always compare all the prices and see where have the good price and the cheapest one. So I found bol.com is very useful, and we're gonna open this guy up. I'm very scared when I'm dealing with knife. I got so many incidents with the knife, and now I'm kind of like because I am a bit clumsy when I do things. I am a bit clumsy, so myself. So what is inside here? Okay, so we got a paper, the receipt and everything. So this is the new hard drive that I just bought. So this is from Lacy. So Lacy is a good brand for a hard drive. If you don't know, so you have to check them out. They have a Turbo Thunderbolt hard drive version. This is a RAC mini 1 terabyte hard drive. So it is because my another hard drive it's full because it's 1 terabyte as well, and it's full with videos and everything. So I was thinking like I need to get another one. So I was thinking like Lacy is a very good brand for hard drive. You should check them out. If you want me to do a review about this hard drive, leave your comment down below. And they also have a warranty for 2 years. Everything is here is good, shock resistant, rain resistant, and also pressure resistant, and they can also transfer all the files within 6 seconds. So that is like is a massive changes. So you can check them out and Lacy. So that's why this is the second item that I bought. Alright, so let's unboxing this a bigger jumbo box. So we don't know what is inside. If you guys doesn't know what is inside, I am very excited to open this box. This is all about vlogging setup in here. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. You have to be very careful. So that wow, this. Oh my god, this entire box like opener like for the oh my goodness. Alright, so let's just take the item from here. So we got first another tripod, another mini tripod. This is Video Mic Pro, and also my lovely lens Canon 10 to 18 millimeters. So let's go one by one. Why did I choose these products and everything? So alright, first we're going to take a look at this Manfrotto compact tripod. So I know, as I said, I got so many products, another tripod and another tripod. So this is a compact tripod which is higher than like 130. So if you don't want to carry this big jumbo tripod, you can always carry this nice little compact tripod, which is it still can go higher than 130, so it's still not bad, and this is go more than 130. So if you want to carry this huge tripod when you go for travel, it's going to be hassle, but this nice travel compact tripod, it's very good. So they also come with a warranty and all the stuff and all the diagrams, so you can check them out. It also comes with a nice box like this. So it has Manfrotto. So this is the best tripod, Manfrotto. So if you don't know, Manfrotto is made from Italy, and they have made very good tripod, very steady, very nice one. So I do have the bigger one, so this is the small version that I got it for me. Alright, so this is the tripod. So the tripod comes with the 3 legs. Is very steady tripod. As you can see, you can move that thing, little thingy, the head, you can move it around, but you cannot take a video with this. This is only for picture purpose, because if you move this head, this ball head, it will get like jerky movement when you do the video. So it's very nice. They don't have like quick release tool like this tripod, but they do have like a screw thing here, so you can screw it like very fast, like quickly, so you don't waste your time if you want to get an like shot or video on all the stuff. but as I said, this is only for picture purpose, and this can also use both, which is pictures and videos, so it's up to you guys. So this is the tripod. I love the tripod so much. So it has like 3 legs as well, just I can go like 3 legs, and then you can also move this thing. So this another one, so you can move this like to the highest. So if you stretch all these 3 legs, and also you can pull this thing out, and you can reach like 130 centimeters high. So it's a good tripod. You can put in your bag, put on the side of your bag. It's really compact and it's very nice. So this is the second tripod. So next one is another mini tripod. So if you don't know, this is also a brand from Manfrotto. So I don't know, I love Manfrotto. I love their tripod because it looks very modern. It looks very nice. It's simple and nice. This is another compact mini tripod. So I'm just gonna open this up, and then I have to be very careful. This plastic, it's really sharp. Okay, so this, it comes with the books and everything. So they have a pictures, diagram, everything, how to use it, and also we're gonna take them out. Alright, so we're gonna put this thing away. Alright, so this is the tripod. I know it is very small tripod. This is very convenient. If you love vlogging, you don't have to take like Gorilla Pod or whatsoever, because Gorilla Pod, it take time. Trust me, I got one last time and then it snatched, and then the thing on the legs itself, it came off like from out of sudden. Like when you do like wrapping thing on the you know, like on the tree, on the metal stuff, when you do it multiple times, it came off like very easily. So that's why I was like, okay, I'll go with Manfrotto's. This is the smallest tripod they have. It is very, very nice. Trust me, it is very nice. I won't regret to buy this. You know what? Because you screw it like quickly, like so fast, and then if you want to adjust it, you can just press like this tiny little button here, so you can move it, your camera, like so easily. You know, if you don't put your camera, if you play with it, it looks like very jerky, like it's not really smooth. But if you put your camera on top and it has weight already, it moves very easily, like nicely. You can, if you want to get your shoot like quickly, so you can spread the leg, put on the surface, whatever table or anything, and then you adjust it, your angle, and that's it. Voila. So it is really good tripod, very quick. And then at the bottom of the tripod, the legs, it has like a rubber thing. So if you put in any kind surfaces like road, like maybe there's a rock or whatever, it still stick on it like really nicely. So you can still move the legs like this if you want to get like very nice 45-degree angle. So if you want to put it flat like this, it's nice. So you can play with the angles, ball head, so you can move it around. It is very steady, it is very nice, it doesn't look heavy, it looks very convenient. So instead of like holding a Gorilla Pod, which is the long version one, so I pick the shorter one like this. It's good, so you can put in your pocket. So remove this, put this in the pocket, and then you can take this to take pictures. And well, this I'm not going to take with me when I go for travel. This is one definitely. So put these things on and then take it off, remove from your pocket, and then easy. So this is like the 5th item of the day. Alright, so the 5th item is a Video Micro. So why did I choose Video Micro? I do have a Video mic Pro from the Rode as well. So that one that I'm using right now, I put on my camera. So this is the compact version of the Video Micro. So it's nice. So as you guys can see, it comes with a fur windshield and all the stuff here. So it's really nice. It's small, it's compact. So if you put on top of your camera, it doesn't look heavy. Last time when I put the Rode camera, the long version, the shotgun one, it looks so obvious. When I put the windshield on top of it, and then you guys can see like everybody was looking at me like, wow, that is a huge like microphone on your camera, you know. And then I was like, oh, but this is very compact, so you just stick it on if you do a vlog, and it's very convenient for the vlog. So you can check them out. It's a Rode Micro Pro Video Micro. So yeah, compact on camera, on microphone. So this is the nice. So you see this is very tiny, and then if you put on top of your camera, it doesn't take like a lot of space, and people were like, oh, okay, it's small, you know, it's not like a big microphone. So it comes with this cable as well to attach to your camera. So it is very good. So you guys can see it is very nice, very cute, like a furry ball. So I think this is very convenient. I'm gonna do a like video talking about the differences about this mic Pro and also the shotgun Rode, if you guys want it. So just let me know, put in your comment down below, so I'll definitely do it for you guys. So this is the 5th item of the day, and the last item of the day is this one. This is my lovely new baby lens. So it's 10 and 18 millimeters lens, Canon EFS, f-stop 4.5 to 5.6 to the maximum, which is 18 millimeters. And then IS and STM. If you don't know what is STM, if you buy a Canon lens or any kind of lens, I'm not sure about Nikon. So Canon STM, if you do a zooming or like a video, like focus or autofocus, so it doesn't make any sounds on your camera, if, especially when you do vlogging. So it doesn't make like sounds like this, you know. If you go to like 50 millimeters without STM, so you can actually hear the sounds like like this. So it is terrible. So make sure choose the one with the STM. So it is very nice. So this is 10 and 18. This is my new vlogging setup lens because it's a wide angle lens. So that's what I'm saying. If you got wide angle lens on your camera and then with a small tripod like this, it can literally conquer the entire on your like part of your chest and your head and also your frame. So of course you gotta get like a bit distortion on the side of the lens, but that is normal. That is why the wide angle lens does, you know. So and then this is like small compact tripod, comes with a small compact microphone, and comes with a wide lens. So it comes with a 2 years warranty on this lens. So it is very good lens. It goes with a 10 to 18 millimeters. So 10 is the widest. So it also have a stabilizer, so it's good for vlogging. You can turn it on or you can turn it off, up to you guys. And also have autofocus or manual focus, you can turn it on and off. So it goes high to the maximum 18 millimeters. So it is good, this lens, for vlogging, and especially I got Canon 90D now. The autofocus in Canon 90D is super amazing. When it comes with this 10 and 18 millimeters, it goes beyond amazing. So I can actually get really nice shot vlogging with this. So I don't have to like holding my cameras like away far from me until like, I knock somebody's head. I just need to like put it away like 1 foot away from my face, so you can actually like see the entire body, like from chest to head. So it's still a good lens. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I'm sure I'm gonna show to you guys my full vlogging setup on my video. Just waiting about the good time to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoy my unboxings and show it to you guys. If you guys want more idea about all this vlogging setup, lighting setup, my microphone setup and everything, please do let me know. I'll do it for you guys. And then thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have a good lovely day and enjoy the rest of your day, and then be positive. I'll see you guys next time.